ready for this, people.
You got it?
Oh, wasn't that fun, Gracie?
Oh my gosh.
She's really enjoying this.
Going backwards.
Oh, golly gee, isn't that fun?
She's a pro.
She's better than Katie. No, don't go.
Hey! That wasn't very nice.
Whoever said I
Take the
was.
lead. Oh my gosh.
I'm okay.
No, you're not. She's going without you.
Oh, I bet she likes this. It's a skateboarding buddy. Gracie, you're magical.
I can just picture what she's saying. You know what? I can just think of what she's saying. Ah, get me off of this thing. I swear I heard a T in there. We've been taping for 3 minutes. Huh? Oh.
That's Snowball's grave, so let's see.
Whoa! My gosh.
I didn't mean to jump on there, honey. Yeah, don't eat that stuff. Just
Black squirrel. Forgot all about Pete. Is this going somewhere?
That way. It's cold. It's cold. It's cold.
You look like a horse.
Oh, can you do the can? Aw. Hey, Gracie, can you do the can? Can.
Sure she can.
Ready?
I guess. The abusing vegetarian.
Yeah, that doesn't make sense. No, don't go through the mud, honey. No.
See, mud's not good for hygiene.
Mud's not good for
Not unless you're a pig.
I like being a pig. You did not see that.
Yes, I did. Oi. Don't look down my shirt now.
I wonder if she could fit.
Oh, God.
Okay, ready?
You really want to know that?
No, I don't actually.
The cleavage bunny.
Street masturbation.
No, cat. It's the cleavage bunny.
Come on, kid, let's do the can.